Hi, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone boost for Novox NC1 USB mic under Linux Mint. It is something what is very easy to do when you know how, but if you don't know, it is hard because there is not much information about this in Google, and for me it was also some playing with kernel and so on, but it doesn't matter here, so let's go for stuff. We are pressing here for volume settings and sound settings. And here we got this input tab. And you can see no other options, and we can't go over 100%. But we got this settings tab here. And here we got maximum volume 100% and can go for amplification. So let's put it to 150%. But when going back here, nothing happens. But what we should do? We are just closing this window and opening it back. And you can see we got a longer bar and we can make it louder. So you can hear it is louder, even more louder, even more, and going for maximum. Thank you very much.